No legitimate reward app can promise that every game pays with no level requirement, because most sponsored offers reward players only after they reach specific milestones inside the game. By the end of this video, you'll know which apps offer the most beginner-friendly game rewards and why no level requirement claims are usually misleading. The first app is OneFreeCash. Instead of hosting its own games, FreeCash pays users for completing sponsored game offers. Most offers require you to reach certain in-game objectives before rewards are credited, but the platform includes a wide variety of games with different difficulty levels, so beginners can choose offers that match the time they want to spend. Next is Scrambly. Scrambly also rewards users for reaching milestones inside partner games. Every offer clearly lists the objectives before you start, allowing you to decide whether the required progress is worth the reward. Since requirements vary from game to game, there isn't one universal level requirement across the platform. Third is Cash. Android users earn coins based primarily on time spent playing supported games, rather than reaching a single fixed player level across every title. Because each game tracks activity differently, you can often begin earning shortly after you start playing. The fourth option is Just Playing. The app rewards users for playing games from its library, with earnings based on gameplay activity, rather than one mandatory level requirement that applies to every game. Different titles may reward different types of progress, so it's worth checking how each game works before investing your time. The fifth app is Each Rewarded Playing. Users earn points by trying recommended games and completing gameplay goals. Those goals vary from one title to another, and the app explains the available rewards before you begin. That flexibility makes it easier to find games that fit your preferred playing style. Here's the part many videos leave out. If someone promises real money games with no level requirement, read the details carefully. Legitimate reward platforms almost always attach rewards to some type of measurable activity, whether that's reaching milestones, spending time in a game, or completing specific objectives. The important thing is knowing those requirements before you start. To earn rewards more efficiently, choose games with goals you can realistically complete. Follow the offer instructions exactly, and avoid switching between too many offers at once. If you want the largest selection of game offers, FreeCash and Scrambly are excellent choices. If you prefer apps that reward general gameplay, Cash, Just Play, and Rewarded Play are solid alternatives. If this comparison helped you find a better option, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money gaming apps for 2026.